the Power Plate, best device on the market by far. Up 35,000 hertz, healing frequency to the body. The vibration comes through. It helps wake tissue up, connect neurology, shake up scar tissue from the fascia, the whole nine. Everything wakes up. Your body gets deeply stimulated to the depths of your body, to your spine, to your bones, to everything. Everything feels it. So watch. I'm just going to do a quick downward dog. The idea is you just want to continue to do your regular motion, right? And it's going to improve the purpose of all you're doing, right? So, you can see me here. I'm pushing through slow. This is going right to my back, even though my hands are on the plate. That's how powerful it is. Oh, there we go. I'm just pushing through my lats, stretching through my lats, get to my downward dog. Oh. I have it set for on all the time, but they come in 30-second intervals. There's usually a clicker that comes with it, but you keep the Power Plate on all the time. And I'll lay my clients on here, and I'll do all the work on it. Maybe just warm them up 15-20 minutes, and then maybe put them on the table for that, or sometimes, depending if I need to keep them on the floor, keep them on the floor, because it doubles your results because of that deep stimulation to your tissue and your neurology. So can't recommend the Power Plate any more than I can. It's a game changer device, and there's nothing like it. And don't buy the cheaper knockoffs, because they move the plate. They don't have that smooth vibration, and that's the key. Your body is accepting that smooth vibration. The other ones are very violent, and if your posture's not moving, your hips aren't mobilized, and you're jamming your hips, you're going to actually make it worse. So the smooth vibration, your body just starts to release through it, and then that wakes up tissue for whatever it is you're going to do next. So yes, it's not a total solution. You can't just vibrate and you can be 100% better. No, but what it does is it helps everything turn on more, loosen up, so you can continue your work. So that's what I do, and I hope this video helps. Any questions, you can just ask me. Thank you.